Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Jellyfin server outside network. So Jellyfin is a great way to store and stream your personal media library, but by default, it only works on your local network. If you want to access your Jellyfin server from anywhere, you need a way to bypass this restriction. The best way to do this is by using NordVPN meshnet feature. This allows secure access to your server from any location without exposing it to the internet. So first, download and install Jellyfin on your computer. Open your browser and go to the Jellyfin website. Download the latest version for your operating system. If you are using Windows, download the Windows installer. If you are on Mac, choose the Mac OS version. Once the download is complete, install the file and launch Jellyfin. Now, set up your Jellyfin server in top menu bar, click on the Jellyfin logo, and select Launch Web UI. A browser window will open. Follow the setup process by choosing a username and password. When you reach the setup your media library screen, click Next without adding any media. Make sure to check the box that says Allow remote connections to this server. Then complete the setup. Next, add your media files. Open the Jellyfin dashboard. Click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner and go to Libraries. Click the plus icon to add a new media library. Select the content type such as movies or TV shows and choose a name. Next to the folder icon, click the plus sign. Locate your media folder on your computer. Copy the file path. Paste it into Jellyfin and click OK. To restrict remote access, go to the dashboard and navigate to Networking. Scroll down to the remote access settings. In the remote IP address filter field, enter 100.64.0.0/10. Click Save. This ensures only authorized devices can access your server. Now, set up NordVPN to connect to Jellyfin remotely. Download and install NordVPN on your computer. Log in with your credentials. Open NordVPN and go to the meshnet section. Toggle meshnet on. Copy your device Nord name. Now, install the Jellyfin Media Player app on your other device. You can also use the mobile app. Open the app and paste your Nord name in the server section. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.